doing?
Trying to see if we can get the weird ass intermittent misfire to happen, and then even if we can't get it to happen, we're gonna check underneath the car, because I've never had this car on the 2-post, and I want to do a bolt check and just check everything out.
We spend a couple days in here probably. Look at the coloration that's become of the headers. Look at the blues and purple. Link the video to the install right now if you want to go watch that.
This is gonna be interesting.
Process of getting this thing on a 2-post.
Yeah, how are we gonna hear this?
Take it from the tip.
I can't.
Yeah,
it's too low. Look, I'm just gonna do it from the front. It'll work. Just check it like high. That's what we're gonna do.
I can take the side skirts
See,
off.
we're big mechanics out here.
Big problem solvers. We couldn't get it to misfire, so we're just moving on to inspecting the underside, and then we're gonna swap the diff for the welded one, so we can do some skids.
Okay.
We're lifting the SC. It's no longer gonna be lowered. We're making this thing a Baja car.
Yeah, we're putting a 12-inch lift on this thing.
Leaving the same wheels on.
We got some big mud tires, but same wheels though, same rim.
We're putting George's wheels on here. We're basically turning this into a Tacoma.
Got some cool vehicles in the shop.
Did not move at all.
I'm excited to see all the scrape marks on the underside. Oh, shake the wheels. Shake the wheels, Jen. Solid.
Oh, is that?
Oh, damn. Sheet golden.
That's not smooth at all.
That's what's up.
Damn,
look at the exhaust.
Dude, I got a hole in that motherfucker. That's why I hear this leak. Because there's a hole in that thing.
That
Is
makes
that
sense.
just the shield, or is that all the way through?
I'm pretty sure that's all the way through.
Yeah,
I think that's
all the way
real.
through. Manual trans that was swapped, excessive amount.
You see where it flattened out the pipe?
Holy smokes.
Cooper.
Damn, dude. I mean,
This
honestly,
is my second exhaust. I've done that
honestly,
before.
that's what I expected it to look like.
This is the shit that I'm talking about, is this shit. That's from
The
scraping
frame,
on the ground.
yeah, that's sparks.
That's
Scraping
from
the frame.
scraping on the ground.
Oh, you pushed up a little bit.
Yeah,
on
look,
this
it's
part.
up here too. It's up here too. It's all along right here.
Oh, we're gonna fix the oil leak.
Yeah,
We
like
got
I've
the
seen
parts.
this stuff before, but I haven't been able to like see the
Bumper's
whole.
fucked.
Haven't been
All
able
the
to
way
see the
down,
whole
yeah.
broad stroke of it
When you do an
all.
oil change, it's probably the easiest you'll ever be able to do it.
This is my wiring job from a manual swap.
Plus,
Hard zip ties, we love it.
how many extra bolts do you have after the job was done?
I mean, you know,
Dude, the front taillights are going good.
Yeah, new taillights on the way. Somebody asked in another video what coilovers this thing is on. We love our Rev 9s. Just coming out.
Okay, that one's tight.
Axle fully disconnected. This one's almost out. Sure has sparks almost out. We'll get them on. We've done this a couple times before. Keep going, keep going. We got this shit so it's quick release.
Your tug.
Oh yeah. Let's get the
You
impact.
should be able to impact it now. Okay.
Now time for the electro racket on the back.
I already got it.
Up a little more. It's kind of cocked.
I was gonna say get a screwdriver or something. Big fryer.
Open. Press those. Welded diff.
I'm gonna lift my car up real quick.
Got the junkyard part labeling on that. Fire.
New deal.
New deal.
Yes.
Final step, just gotta put the bolts in for each side of the axle. Looks pretty fresh, dude. I'm not gonna lie, because like everything is like not really rusted, really. So then like this diff isn't rusted. I didn't get it yet, but I want to kind of do like a star pattern thing. So
I'm taking wheels off, dude.
We're swapping wheels right now between these.
Do you have the same?
yeah. Just go to river ones. I think there's still another one. Yeah.
I will say my side didn't do that.
Yeah, I know. I told Tyson fuck over with cross turtle.
You're in. That's good.
Okay.
They all tight?
Yeah.
Both wheels are spinning at the same.
Yeah, let me film that. Spin that. Both wheels spinning, diff spinning.
It got put on with this crossover. That means it can get taken off.
Yeah, we'll be able to take it off. I'm excited to see what the different offset is going to be like. So it's like a 7 mil different offset compared to these. We're just testing the look.
More or poke less?
They'll poke like 7 mil more they're supposed to.
Okay. We'll see how that goes with the tires.
We're trying these right now because he's interested in going for some lipped wheels on the front. And we just want to see what it'll look like with some chrome lipped wheels. They fit better. They fit better than the other ones.
I'll put like one lug in. This is so crazy. That's crazy seeing it on this car. Oh, I don't even know if it's gonna work.
Poke? You check up front. Oh shit.
I don't want to see it yet. I don't want to see it
Check the rear, check the rear. Oh no, it's not even gonna fit. You can't even do it in the rear. Oh, it's square on.
It'll fit.
It'll fit, yeah. I thought it was just too low and it was hitting the wheel.
It's so deep. Oh, these ones aren't as deep as mine.
You gonna rub?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tyson already rubbed the name off. So.
Yeah, I already rubbed through them, so. These used to be on my ass. All that rub wear is Same with the camber wear on these. I was running -8 degrees. I'll throw a picture of it in here if I remember. Just like in here and look at the fitment of the back.
Unless like I'm rubbing like crazy. If you rub like crazy,
Look at that.
should be good.
I really like the chrome on your
Let's see this. These fit better on your car.
Yeah, because they're skinnier.
They're not skinnier, the offset sucks them in just a little bit. The silver on silver isn't bad. So it's gonna lower down even more all around. It's got like credit card right now. I can't put my finger. The front will drop to be about how the back is right now.
Slow, son.
Let her down. It's gonna touch. It's gonna touch up front. Oh, you're chilling. You're chilling.
Yeah, you're probably gonna rub when you hit bumps back here, but he's not touching at all.
I think it's like credit card in the back. You might be able to.
Let's find out. Let's find out. That's literally, I cannot fit anything bigger in there. These are
235 40 18.
Yeah, what he said.
Okay, there are 40s already, so that's why I'm like, and I'm like, yeah, we're here.
That is good.
SC300 now.
I need to see what the skirts
I'm so
back
happy
on
to
now.
say
I do need to see what the skirts like.
The skirts aren't on.
If anybody has a good pair of Reyes, I'm gonna sell this guy.
I need them.
Face Reyes. Chilling.
Who's back there? So look, factory key, right? It's this tool. It's a tool. See?
Kia Boys type shit.
Both out. Oh yeah.
We're doing a full makeover of this car today.
I
New
know.
diff, swap the wheels, and we're putting the steering wheel back
Should
on.
feel like a new man driving
New
this
car.
fucking,
He's got a new car.
and it's still gonna have the misfire problem on the way back home.
Yeah, we couldn't find that. So
It just didn't show itself. We're in the room where we could fix every single problem, but if it's not gonna show up, then we can't fix it. Boom.
quick release.
Steering wheel wasn't straight to begin with, so I'm gonna put it over here and hope that that's better.
That's probably good enough. You're going a block away and back pretty much. Done.
Oh. That looks 100 times better.
Hard.
Good.
You can't park here?
So are you handicapped?
Yeah. Pretty much if I could get wheels exactly like this, but like three-piece, like this same,
Your car definitely needed lift.
this same spec, because the offset's a little different, it makes the front look better.
Makes the front and rear look better, I think.
Suits the car.
I didn't film it.
Did you see it?
No, I saw like the end of it.
It was good. It was good.
I know, I heard it. We're taking our fucking car street drifting. I'm tired of waiting. We're gonna do it in a video soon. You'll see it.
Right where your shadow is.
I wish I got it on camera, but you fucking clutch kicked it.
I wanted to try and get it on camera, but I wasn't.
I didn't even clutch kick it.
He just
You
gassed
just powered
it.
over
Yeah,
it?
he just gassed it.
Easy then.
So you could do exactly that. Just literally first gear and just give it some gas and it'll fucking come out so easy.
Every
gotta
single
get it
time
down.
I fucking pull into this parking lot in the rains I'm going to.
Every single time I pull in this parking lot, period, I'm gonna almost do that, dude.
Fine.